Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to mask out clouds without losing the edges and make them more real to apply in different skies. So, in this first example, I started by adding a new color layer and then select the cloud with the quick selection tool. Then, with the quick selection tool, I started to select the cloud. Then I clicked on select and mask and it will open this right panel with different options, but what we need is the refine edge brush here on the left toolbar. So with it, we set the brush size and carefully start surrounding the cloud with it. The red color is the part of the image that is selected. And there you go. Now set the output to a new layer mask, and as you can see it masked the background, but the edges are not with the best quality, so we can try to refine it better. We just need to go back to select and mask and hit decontaminate colors and hit OK. And there you go, now it's more real and we almost don't notice that the cloud was cutted. This is a very interesting tool, but it doesn't work with all images. However, you can try the different options of the panel to refine more or less the edges. See here, I used the same. With the refine edge brush, I selected the edges of the cloud and then set the output to another layer mask. And as you can see, the result is not so good as the other one. Even with the decontaminate colors, and here maybe we needed to change the background color. So that's it. If you like this video, make sure you leave a like and a comment about what you think of this video, and if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and see you in my next video.